Welcome to our guide on how to edit videos like a pro. Today, we will take you through the essential steps to transform your raw footage into a captivating visual masterpiece. The first step in the editing process is to import your footage into the editing software of your choice. Simply locate your video files and import them into the project library. Next, it's time to arrange your clips on the timeline. This is where you'll determine the order and sequence of your shots. Drag and drop the clips onto the timeline in the desired order to create your story. Now, let's refine your footage by trimming and cutting unwanted sections. Use the editing tools provided by the software to precisely trim your clips, removing any unnecessary footage and ensuring a smooth flow. To enhance the visual appeal of your video, add transitions and effects. Transitions allow for seamless scene changes, while effects can add a creative touch to specific shots. Experiment with different options to find the perfect style for your video. Color correction and exposure adjustments play a crucial role in creating a visually appealing video. Use the software's color grading tools to balance the colors, enhance contrast, and make your footage more vibrant. Audio is equally important as visuals in creating an engaging video. Import your desired music or sound effects into the software and align them with your footage. Adjust the audio levels to ensure a perfect blend of visuals and sound. Text and titles can provide context, introduce scenes, or convey important information. Utilize the software's text tools to add captions, subtitles, or stylish titles that complement your video's theme and style. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to finalize your video. Preview the entire project to ensure a seamless flow. Fine-tune any areas that need adjustments and make sure the audio levels are balanced throughout. Finally, export your video in the desired format. Choose the appropriate settings to optimize the video for the intended platform or audience. Then sit back and watch as your creation comes to life. Congratulations! You've mastered the art of video editing. With practice, you'll refine your skills and create videos that captivate, inspire, and leave a lasting impact on your audience. Remember, video editing is an art form, so let your creativity flow and experiment with different techniques to bring your vision to life. Happy editing!